Dale.
Hello. What is cooking, Claudia? What is in the pot? Today, I'm doing this. Lemon pie. First of all, we need the pastry. This pastry is baked in the oven. These are the ingredients. A 120 grams of butter, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 250 grams of flour, and 2 yolks. Then in the stove, I cook this to fill the shell. I peeled 3 lemons. I grated it. Added the juice of the 3 lemons. Added 3 yolks. 2 spoons of cornstarch. 2½ cup of water, 8 spoons of sugar. I put it over the stove until it's hot and creamy. Now I will put it over the pastry and I will wait until it is not more hot, cold, and then into the refrigerator. At last, I will add the meringue. The meringue has 5 egg whites and 6 tablespoons of sugar. Well, that's all. That's my own recipe. I practiced many times to do a lemon pie with different recipes, and this is the better. Now you can do it. Ta-ta for now.